In this video, I'll show you how to get hosting and a free domain on Hostinger. First, go to the Hostinger website. At the top, click on Hosting and then select Website Hosting. Scroll down and look at the available plans. I recommend the Premium Web Hosting plan as it includes everything you need and also comes with a free domain. Click on Add to Cart. Now choose your billing cycle. The 48-month option is the cheapest per month. If you are not ready to commit that long, you can go with 12 or 24 months. Just keep in mind that the free domain is only included with the 12, 24, or 48-month plans. Scroll down and enter your email address. Before you complete the payment, click on Have a Coupon Code and enter your coupon code to get an additional discount. Then fill in your payment details and click on Submit Secure Payment. After that, set a password for your Hostinger account and confirm. Once you are in, click on the Hostinger logo at the top to go to your dashboard. Now click on Claim Domain. Choose your domain extension. A .com is always the best option if it is available. Type in your domain name. Keep it simple and easy to remember. Then click Check Availability. If it is available, click Claim Domain and fill in your contact information. After that, go to your email inbox and look for a verification email from Hostinger. Click the link inside to verify your domain. Come back to your Hostinger dashboard, reload the page, and you will see your domain is now active and verified. That is how you do it.